Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you export 4K video in Premiere Pro. So guys, to export 4K video in Premiere Pro, here you can see I've selected this video here. You can select any of your video as you like. Then just click the top left this file option, click on this file, and after clicking it, here you will see this option export. Click on it and you can select media, and you can also select send to Adobe Media Encoder. I'm selecting media, and after selecting media, here you can see format, this option. You need to select the format to H.264, and here you can see the presets. You can click on here and you can select the YouTube 4K presets from here, or you can select the high quality 4K presets. You can also select mobile device 4K presets by clicking these more presets and searching here. Like mobile device, here you can see mobile device 4K, this one. Click on OK. You can also select this if you want. In this video I'm gonna select this one, high quality. Then all you need to do is just click on export, and if you have media encoder you can click export to media encoder, this one, send to media encoder. So guys, that's all. That's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video.